Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Zip. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. XRP is going to be $10,000 very soon. That is correct. XRP is not going slow, and in the near future it is going to explode in the market. Since the last improvement and adjustment of the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit, its price reached $1 after circa 3 years, and it is only getting higher since then. Specialists and experts are foretelling that it goes higher and higher, and among the predictions, a prediction of $10,000 has been made. But who made this forecast and foretelling, and is it actually worth it? Those are some questions that are popping in everyone's head. In this video you learn about the sky-high price prediction regarding XRP and the reason behind this. For the new people around here, we will try our best to enlighten you on the topic, what is XRP? So let us get straight to the point. XRP is cryptocurrency, or we can say that is a digital money that is used to deal buying and selling digitally in an anonymous way. It has no record like our money that has a number issued by the government. Ripple was first set in motion in 2012, 3 years following the Bitcoin. Ripple Lab is the American-based software company that actually elaborated and advanced the XRP. And, as you already know, everyone around the world is talking about XRP, even celebrities and people like Elon Musk. There are a lot of grounds, reasons, and causes why this is happening. XRP is distinctive and individual and is very different from the other cryptocurrencies. Ripple's XRP is changing and modifying the ways of the cryptocurrency. At first it was designed to have a much inexpensive and low-price transactions than other cryptocurrencies, making it more satisfactory and acceptable for day-to-day payments. Its capacity and potential to be traded and exchanged to any currency are valuable, such as gold. With a unified minimal commission, it is actually a wonderful lead and advantage that XRP provides. Dissimilar to other cryptocurrencies, Ripple's XRP only takes a few seconds for the transaction to be confirmed and established. This makes Ripple a much better substitute and option to a lot of other cryptocurrencies. When it comes to speed of transaction, just like its unique transaction time, XRP transaction fee is also making it stand above all. Ripple is almost free, and that is because the standard cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. As of very recently, the price of XRP is $1.34, and it is getting higher as time passes by. It holds the 4th place on the list with a market cap of $61 billion and a circulation supply of circa 45 billion. What actually makes XRP so unique? XRP has a lot of distinctive and extraordinary characteristics that makes it stand out. Banks throughout the world love XRP, and the World Economic Forum is also in line. So, one of the major unique and distinctive features of XRP is its transaction fee. It is practically free. And yes, you heard that right. The transaction time is another pretty good characteristic of XRP. While a lot of other currencies take a minutes-to-minutes transaction, Ripple XRP only takes a couple of seconds for the transaction to be confirmed. And that means it is the fastest when set side by side with many other cryptocurrencies. That is an enormous lead and advantage for the XRP. Another good thing is that XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a suitable and appropriate instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and in a well-organized and competent way. This feature that is only offered by Ripple XRP has made banks its fans, and they love the XRP. Banks have started to use Ripple's technology as a payment and money transfer method between each other. Dozens of banks already use Ripple as a safe and more secure way to transfer money. These banks incorporate and include Access Bank, Star One Credit Union, MUFG, and Cambridge Global Payments. What is really keeping the XRP in the headlines these days is the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit. The main reason for this legal action is that Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is going after the company Ripple for supposedly offering securities instead of a cryptocurrency. This has it targeting and directing Ripple, as well as his CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larsen. The Securities and Exchange Commission disagrees and declares that the XRP should be attended to and treated in the exact same way that shares of a public company are. Ripple has argued against this claim by expressing that XRP has been identified and recognized as a currency in the past. It says it is not a subject to the S.A.M. regulations that a security must meet. But the new and recent events of the court have unexpectedly brought XRP to $1.19. Ripple is expected to come out of this lawsuit as the triumphant and winning one, and after this lawsuit, experts and researchers are expecting the XRP to not only reach $5, but $100 in the prompt days. At all events, with a jump to 3-year highs, XRP has fully recovered and retrieved from its losses and cured in December, when the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple for raising $1.3 billion by unregistered securities offerings. With more and more mainstream attention as being paid to the cryptocurrency world, it is completely normal and natural that people are very interested in this topic. Cryptocurrency has entered the world not very long ago and by now have entered the wallets and hearts of countless buyers. The new technologies are coming up almost every day, and some of the early coins are maintaining their leading positions in the market. This kind of coin is exactly Ripple XRP. Obviously, XRP is one of the market's most dominant cryptocurrency. The technology of this coin is quite innovative and can handle all the pressure of the new technologies. This was proven many times in the past. Many investors are seeing that Ripple is very stable and leading cryptocurrency out there, and since this very unstable year is going to end, the next one is going to be even better for investing in XRP. Why to choose XRP in comparison to other cryptocurrencies out there? As you might know, there are hundreds and hundreds of cryptocurrencies in the markets, and sure, you are asking yourself why you should pick one over another. One of the things that differs XRP from the others, smaller ones, is that XRP can be transferred directly between investors and it do not need any intermediary, and with that XRP can become even good and effective coin for bridge between two cryptocurrencies. And one of the key goals of XRP is exactly that, to become monetary trade mediator. The ledger of XRP is using distributed ledger technology, and it can support the token that represents fiat currency, crypto, or any other value unit. The protocol of XRP is very accessible and it can be used without permission of Ripple Labs Inc. This opens the possibility for banks and other financial institutions to implement the Ripple protocol. This coin is somehow becoming favorite of a lots of people. Even the famous Elon Musk is tweeting about it lately. What is interesting, a lot of famous and successful people are predicting what is going to happen with XRP in near future. A former blackjack player and businessman has also made a prediction for XRP. He said that XRP is designed to reach at least $10 per token. Steve Wayne is a very successful player in the blackjack and a huge businessman with an experience in managing huge casino hotels in Las Vegas. He was member of a team of students from Harvard who were using card counting techniques for getting better results in the casinos. According to this guy, XRP is very low at the moment. Right now, the price is going up just because the demand for it and its application is not used yet. When XRP's innovative technology is going to be implemented, we are going to witness significant gains. When most of the transactions are going to be done with XRP, its value is going to reach $10, said Steve Wayne. This seems very optimistic, and in my opinion, as XRP is going up, I'm going to take some profits on its way up, but I don't think I'm going to sell it all for now. When Wayne was asked about the price for XRP, he responded that this coin is going to rise its value based on the demand. XRP is going on $10 soon. Since XRP reached $1 and after the lawsuit started and its modifications, the price increased. This awakened the bull and army of people buying and investing in this coin. When the lawsuit is going to be over, we are going to see amazing rise of XRP, and it will bridge most of the cryptocurrencies for sure. It will not take too long for the XRP to reach $500 by the end of the year, and after that even $10. XRP is going to the moon for sure and becoming the biggest cryptocurrency in use. Always do your own research before investing, and as always, we are advising you to foresee all the options and invest very carefully before giving your own money. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.